Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download presets on Lightroom using the DNG method. So what you have to do is open up the Google and search for presets for Lightroom. And then click on the first link, which is freepresets.com. And from here you can choose any one of the presets that is available in this website. And what you have to do is tap on the search free presets and search for DNG. Once you search DNG, all the presets that will show up will contain DNG files so that it will work on your mobile devices. So you can choose any one of these presets. So for example, I'll be using this moody preset. And once you have opened it, tap on start download now and it will start downloading, and then open the file. Now make sure that the file contains a DNG file, or else it will not work on your mobile device. And then tap on extract. Now that it has been extracted, you have to open the Lightroom app. And as you can see, it has been downloaded on the device, and I have just downloaded the Moody preset, so it will appear here. So tap on it and open it. So the preset will be applied to this image. So all you have to do is tap on the three dots in the top right corner and tap on create preset. So you can name this preset whatever you like. So for example, I'll just name it preset Moody and then tap on the tick button. Now that you have saved this preset, you can then apply it to your images. So open up any image that you want to apply this preset to. And then once you have opened it, tap on the presets button over here and then search for the preset that you had just saved. So for me it is over here, so tap on the preset, and as you can see, the preset has been applied to this image, and you have to tap on the tick button. And there you go, that is how you download presets using the DNG method. If there are any other questions, then you can leave them down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video and it has helped you, then leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much for watching.